Hey guys, my bike check here. It was originally a Sunday Funday X 2010 in yellow and red. Yep, but now I've got it sprayed luminous orange and black. You may not be able to see it well on the camera, but yeah. Right, we have Fertility small grips, Odyssey brake lever medium on the left, with a stolen linear cable. We have UDI bar ends, the Sunday stem, we have the Sunday bars, stock frame, stock forks. I have an Odyssey Atkin front tyre, Odyssey Quadrant front rim, whatever that is, what it says, don't know. Don't know what hub it is, think it's Odyssey, no clue. Don't know what spokes, doesn't really matter. We have Sunday Bites 25 tooth sprocket, normal cranks I think, don't know what it's called, just my bike. Eastern pedals, lost my spindle on the other side from my cranks. ESD slim pivotal seat. Odyssey Path back tyre, Superstar brake mechanism, the calipers and the pads, Odyssey Quadrant back rim as well. I think it's Odyssey hub again, don't know, but it's very loud hub. I think it may be stock, no clue. No clue what my headset is, but yeah, it makes noises. Sunday seat clamp and post. Yeah, so overall guys, it's a nice bike. Since we're nearly into 2012 now, I don't think you'll be able to get the bike much, but yeah, it's a nice bike. I recommend it if you can. It's nice, worth the money. Please rate, comment, subscribe, tell me if you liked the video and if you thought it helped you out and anything. I will list the prices in the comments.